All right, Thursday morning, here we go. A lot of central bank activity, or I should say inactivity, over the past 24 hours. Bank of England, Bank of Japan, Federal Reserve here in the US, all have their policy announcements. No change to rates, no change to policy, all looking to provide more stimulus to the economy to help us ward off this pandemic. Now, here in the US, what was important coming out of that commentary is that they don't see a change of rates until 2023 as at the absolute earliest. Now, after that announcement, we see some short covering. The dollar rallies off of that news. Since then, in the overnight session, we're seeing weakness in the dollar once again. We're seeing the euro, the pound, and the Aussie all strengthen up in the overnight hours. Looking at some of the other markets, in the equity markets, we had seen some strength. Well, really over the past couple of days in the equity markets. That announcement comes out yesterday, and we see the markets turn around and finish down on the day. Finished on the day just slightly positive in the Dow, but again, that Nasdaq, the tech sector, really getting leaned on once again. Heading into the open today, again, more weakness across the board. All those markets are trading lower. Oil got hit off of that news yesterday, has since turned around. We're right around $40 a barrel in WTI. So this morning we've got that initial jobless claims number due out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So for you folks in that initial jobless claims contract at Nadex, that will settle this morning. Expectation in the street is around 850,000 or so jobless claims filed last week. We'll see what that print is here shortly. So Thursday, 2 trading days left. We got a lot going on. Let's go out there today. Let's get after it. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll keep you updated. All right, take care, folks. Bye-bye.